In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to either Trello or Clickup. Whether you're managing a team, juggling multiple projects, or simply trying to stay organized, bringing all your tools together can make a huge difference. If you're a regular user of Notion and you're looking to integrate Trello or Clickup into your workflow, this guide will take you through the process step by step in just under 5 minutes. Let's dive in. First, start by opening your browser and heading over to Notion's website. Once there, locate and click on the Login button. This will allow you to access your connected workspace, where you have all your notes, projects, and any other Notion elements ready to go. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Notion homepage. This is your dashboard, where you manage everything within Notion. Your next step is to access the settings. Keeping the interface intuitive, Notion has placed the Settings option in an easily accessible area. Click on it to proceed. Inside the settings, you'll notice an option labeled Connections. This is where the magic begins. Selecting Connections will open up a panel where you can manage all your existing and potential integrations. Now, to find new integrations, look for the Browse Connections in Gallery option. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a gallery filled with various integrations available for Notion. Among these options, you'll find the search bar, which is extremely handy. Type in either Trello or Clickup, depending on which tool you want to integrate. This will narrow down the search results, saving you time and effort. Once you see Trello or Clickup in the results, select it. You should see an Add to Notion button. Clicking on Add to Notion will initiate the process of integrating the chosen tool with Notion. Follow any prompts that appear to complete the setup. This might involve authorizing access or connecting your accounts, which is a straightforward process guided by the on-screen instructions. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Notion with Trello or Clickup, streamlining your workflow and enhancing your productivity. By integrating these tools, you can now seamlessly move between platforms, keeping all your tasks and information connected in one place. Whether you're syncing boards with Trello to keep your project timelines in check, or plugging in Clickup to monitor task completions, this integration ensures that your data flows smoothly across platforms without any hassle. Now that you've seen how easy it is, go ahead and supercharge your productivity by linking your Notion workspace with these powerful project management tools. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!